Yeah, Derek with Eliminex. You can see the mosquito hideout. See all the mosquitoes hiding out here. Jumping around while I'm spraying. It's a shady area. You see all the mosquitoes flying around under here. I'll probably get bit. I'm wearing sunscreen right now, but when it gets a little later, I'll start. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes and crane flies all getting some shade, waiting to come out at night. They're all under here. I'm gonna come back and hit them up with some granulars. Hit it up with some granulars so the pesticide will keep activating when it rains. Come back once a month. All the mosquitoes are in here. You can see them flying everywhere. And when we do our survey, we look for like overgrown stuff, you know, where mosquitoes can hide. So obviously, you can see from the neighbor, it looks like the house is freaking abandoned. I don't think there's anybody even living here. Look at that. There's a tub there. I don't think there's anybody living here. So all the mosquitoes are breeding in the adjacent property. It's terrible. So when I do like a survey, I take all this information and let them know, you know, we can create a barrier here, but you know, they can still fly over the fence. So in some instances, when it's peak season, the best we can do, I can do a little bit of treatment over the fence, but I can't go onto the other property. That's why there's so many mosquitoes over here. And they just wait for like animals to drop by, including myself. So that's that.